Hi guys, tonight I wanted to give you a tour of the 3-inch Machinist Clamp Kit. The kit contains all the raw materials and drawings, instructions to build two 3-inch Machinist clamps. 3-inch refers to maximum jaw opening. Complete kit with all the materials, a drawing package, a store sticker if you're that way inclined, kit contents, sheet number 2, kit contents. We'll come back to that. Component identification, all the parts of the clamp called out. Threaded pin, bearing pin, spacer pins, hinge pin, jaws, inner plates, main plates. There's the main plate. The plates come laser cut, 12 gauge plate, laser cut, laser etched. All the center points for the holes are laser etched. Inner plates, spacer pins, everything dimensioned out, jaws, etc., etc. Screw, build notes, ideas for different jaws. Okay, let's go back to that kit contents. Your kit includes materials for 2 plates, for 2 clamps. There's all our main plates. 12L14 carbon steel. This is for those major pins I talked about, the threaded pin, the hinge pin, etc. 5/16 12L14 for the spacer pins. The 12L14 is super nice to work with. This is for the I got that wrong. This is for the spacer pins, the 2 screws. This is drill rod for your Tommy bars. Here's all the hardware. There's a total of I forget how many screws, 14 and 8. Smaller ones go on the inner plates. Brass for your keeper and for washers on this bearing pin. All top quality materials. 12L14 is just a joy to work with. Fun project, guys. Make a tool that will last your lifetime. You can show your friends, show your kids, look, I made this. Pass it on to your kids. Link to the store in the description, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.